In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI voice covers, aka make anyone sing anything. This thing is absolutely mind-blowing. In fact, I made Drake sing Never Gonna Give You Up.
There are no strangers to love.
So if you want to make music like this, then let's get started. First go to YouTube and find a random song you want the speaker to sing. I'll just choose Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. Then you can get the song from YouTube. Okay, now you have the MP3 file downloaded. Head over to this amazing website called x-pro, which gives you the vocals and instrumental of any song. So click on the AI vocal remover banner, which will take you here, then drag in the MP3 file you just downloaded. Wait a few seconds and it should return two audio files. One is the vocals and one is the instrumental.
We're no strangers to love.
Alright, now convert your vocals to the WAV format by going to the website convertio.co. Just drag in the vocals MP3 file and select WAV as your output format. Just wait a bit and it should successfully convert the file.
Oh my god!
Now just download the WAV file and head over to the Google Colab notebook linked in the description. So now you're signed into the Google Colab notebook, just run the first cell. If it reads Tesla K80 here, then just go to the runtime, disconnect and delete runtime, and run it again until it shows any GPU but a Tesla K80. Now that's done, let's run the second cell and wait like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now run the second cell. This cell shouldn't take as long. After that, let's run the next cell to download content vec. Now that's done, let's scroll down and run the setup HF download cell. You don't have to select anything here. Alright, now that's done, here's the important part. Click on the file icon on the left side and drag in your converted vocals in WAV format to upload the file. The AI will use those vocals to make the model sing that way. While it's uploading, you can choose an AI model or the voice of the person you want to sing those vocals. For example, I chose the Drake voice model, so Drake will sing Never Gonna Give You Up. Now run this cell, then run the next cell called extract.zip downloads. And finally, run the last cell. Change the transpose value to 0 and click convert. After a while, there should be a file here or on the left side, so if I did this correctly, I should hear Drake singing Never Gonna Give You Up.
There are no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I.
Alright, that's the end of this tutorial, and I hope this video helped you make an AI voice cover.